Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So let's enroll the list of all apps at first, then enter settings, go to digital wellbeing and parental controls, and here you've got kind of basic statistics. If you tap on it again, you can get a bit more knowledge. You can open weekly or daily view, however you prefer. You can also, let me just go back and reopen it. Also check particular app statistics. You can get the number of notifications received or unlocks. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.